Thank you, Madam Speaker. Thank you, Mr. President, for reconfirming the GNU's commitment to shielding South Africans against the high cost of living. But ultimately, Mr. President, there is only one way for us to achieve this, and that is to grow our economy. In your State of the Nation address, you announced the 3% economic growth target to create much-needed jobs, but our growth rate has since been revised to approximately 1%, which I think you would agree is far below what our people need. A recent IMF analysis indicated that by cutting red tape for our entrepreneurs and halving business and labor market regulations, we can narrow our rate of inequality by up to 10% to grow our economy, to create jobs, and to achieve further economic redress. Mr. President, will you commit to a comprehensive cross-departmental review of all business and trade regulations and to instruct your ministers to repeal those regulations that stifle small businesses and do not add value to the economy and job creation? Thank you.